Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of obtaining the P&G rebate at Costco. Follow these steps to take advantage of this offer. Check eligibility. Ensure you have a valid Costco membership, as the rebate is exclusive to members. Visit the P&G Promotions page. Navigate to Costco's P&G Promotions page at https://costco.cipg/html to view current offers. Select eligible products. Browse the list of participating P&G products available at Costco. Purchase the products. Buy the selected P&G items either in-store or online through Costco's website. Submit your rebate claim. After purchase, submit your rebate claim by following the instructions provided on the promotions page. Receive your rebate. Once your claim is approved, you'll receive your rebate as specified in the offer details. Remember to review the specific terms and conditions of each promotion, as they may vary. For more information, visit Costco's official P&G Promotions page at https://costco.cipg/html. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips.